What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be announcing the K&N giveaway winner, and I'm also going to be letting you guys know some things to go check out, some of the videos, some of the products that I have for you guys, of course, discounts and stuff like that. So before we do announce the winner, I just wanted to let you guys know to go check out in the description box below. I usually always post links to products and stuff like that in almost every single video. So if you guys do, go check it out. I usually have discount codes for you guys. Check it out. If you guys do end up purchasing something from those links, most of them do help me out. And in return, I could keep doing more giveaways for you guys. So of course, like I said, for today, we're doing the K&N high flow air filter giveaway, which is the one that goes right here in your engine air intake box. If you guys don't know how to install this, when you receive it, just make sure to check out in the description box below. I've already done a video on how to install this, so you can check that out. Just in case if you guys don't win and you guys want to end up purchasing this, it's going to also be in the description box below. Remember, this one did come with the pedal commander, so if you do also want to purchase that one, I'll link that as well. So just in case you guys want to get it as a package, because it does come with this. Another thing I did want to let you guys know, I've been getting a lot of questions on where you guys can get grills and Raptor lights. That's also in the description box below. That's why I keep stating it. Make sure to check it out. Everything's always there. And it makes it a little bit easier. The reason I do that is that way you guys don't have to, maybe I take kind of long on replying. So everything's always there to make it easier for you guys. Please make sure to stay tuned on Sunday. I'm going to go ahead and post on the trailer so you guys can get some details on it if you guys do want to end up buying that. So make sure to stay for Sunday's upload. It's going to be great. I had a fun time. And yeah, let's just find out who won this K&N air filter giveaway. And once again, if you guys do want to purchase anything, check out the description box below. Let's go ahead and get to the winner. Now we're going to go ahead and announce the winner. We are on my page. Let's go ahead and scroll down. This is the video where we had the contest going on. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this right here really quick. Once I've copied the link, I'm going to use the same website as always, which is commentpicker.com. Let's go ahead and post that in there. Let's go ahead and get the YouTube comments and find out. There's 238 comments that did enter. Let's go ahead and find out who the winner is. And as always, damn. All right, so there you go. Brian E. Make sure to send me an email. It's going to be in the description box below. All right, once again, congrats to the winner. Make sure to email me. It's going to be in the description box below. Don't be discouraged, anybody else, because there is going to be a lot more in the future. I do have some more planned out. And of course, make sure to go check out those links that I was talking about in the description box below. It really helps out the channel and it helps me to do more things like this. I also wanted to thank each and every one of you guys for the ongoing support. I keep seeing it and I seriously appreciate you guys, and I appreciate each and every comment that I do read. It means a lot to me. So once again, see you guys next time. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.